Western styles, designer, tell the truth. What was that show, man?
It was great. Flew in from LA, had the opportunity to come to the UK my first time for the show. And we had a venue change. We had another venue that we had to do a last minute change, and it worked out. Yeah.
What goes into the casting of anybody out there? Your passion, enthusiasm, and what goes into the selection of those people?
For this one, I had like a lot of models that flew in from LA, but I had worked with this agency called Cat Models, and they helped me out with like, a lot of UK models. And I didn't have no presence over here, so Cat Models they really helped out. Agency named Rainy. Without Rainy, we probably wouldn't have half the models from Cat Models.
And what got you into fashion? Why do you work so hard?
Just studying like some of my idols like Virgil Abloh, studying like the big brands, and like you want to just reach that level to get to that level, man. It's a roller coaster. So just inspiration. Go through all these trials and tribulations. It shows. A lot of people realize that this was a journey to get here. So, it wasn't easy.
And if you had one positive message to sort of encourage somebody that maybe one or two steps behind you to get into these venues and to go on
I would say be prepared to get hit. You're going to get hit, but don't stop. Just like keep going. Like there's light at the tunnel. Because we got hit. Like through this collection, venue, budget, we had to find ways how to make all this happen. This is all self-funded. There's no sponsors. This is all us.
Your support system, is it family, friends, like what do you lean on when things get
obviously family, friend, my girlfriend G, she's been with me through thick and whole thing, my brother, close friends that were models that became friends. But yeah, it started off as like a couple people, and then now it's grown. The goal is to become, like the big brand, like Rick Owens and all them, to get that global community behind us. So it's a step in the right direction.
Hope you come back. Thank you so much.
Yeah.